This word is pronounced as chef. The sh sound for ch. How do you pronounce this word? This is chapter, which has the ch sound. This word is pronounced as chrome, where ch has the k sound. So you have noticed 3 different sounds of ch, right? So in these words like chef, machine, parachute, sachet, ch has its sh sound, which is sh sound. In these words like chapter, chop, bunch, rich, ch has its ch sound. In these words like chrome, school, chemistry, scheme, ch has its k sound. So these are the examples for 3 different pronunciations of ch.